So this will be update number 4. The liner is out. We found that chunk missing right there, but there is no rust of any kind on the liner.
No pitting, no marks.
Not a tiny little bit, not even a smidge. All of the cooling ports in the block free and clear. No signs of sand or crap in there. It ate the piston.
It ate the piston totally.
This O-ring right here is all gooey and sticky again. It's this stuff, whatever that is. Yeah, the second O-ring down is all stretched out and broken and overlapped.
Well, that could have been me just trying to get it out of there, but it's in pretty bad shape. What the heck is the top of the O-ring?
Here's the piston. There's no signs of an overfueling condition that destroyed stuff. Piston's in a lot worse shape than the last one, although the rings aren't stuck in. It's a 3 compression ring piston. So now, this is like the worst possible outcome. If it had been some sort of clear and obvious problem, then we could have pointed to it and said, aha. But once again, there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Maybe one of you guys will understand.